Welcome to Dream on Wheels. Not every campervan is built the same way. Some focus purely on size. Others try to fit in as many features as possible. But then there are models like this, designed to balance space, comfort, and everyday usability without making things complicated. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Chausson V697 Roadline VIP. A campervan that aims to deliver a comfortable living experience while staying practical and easy to use on the road. In this video, we'll go through the full layout. From the exterior and interior living space to the kitchen, sleeping setup, bathroom, and what it actually feels like to travel in it. Asterisk from the outside, the V697 Roadline VIP keeps things clean and purposeful. It follows a classic panel van design, which immediately makes it more approachable in terms of driving and parking. The overall shape is familiar, but the detailing gives it a more refined and slightly premium look. It's not trying to stand out aggressively. Instead, it focuses on being practical and well-balanced. The sliding side door provides quick and easy access to the living area. Large side windows allow natural light to enter, helping the interior feel brighter and more open at the rear. The wide-opening double doors give direct access to the sleeping area and storage space. This makes loading gear, luggage, or travel equipment simple and efficient. Overall, the exterior is designed for real use. Straightforward, functional, and easy to live with. Step inside, and the first thing you notice is how organized everything feels. The layout is structured in a way that makes the most of the available space without making it feel crowded. At the front, both the driver and passenger seats rotate to face the interior. This creates a small but functional lounge area. It's a space where you can sit comfortably, enjoy a meal, or simply relax after a long drive. The table is compact yet practical, offering enough surface for everyday use. What makes this area work is its simplicity. Everything is placed where it makes sense. Large windows bring in natural light during the day, while soft interior lighting creates a calm atmosphere in the evening. It's not about luxury, it's about comfort that feels natural. Moving into the kitchen, the focus is clearly on efficiency. The setup is compact, but everything you need is within easy reach. You get a cooking area with a stove and a sink, allowing you to prepare simple meals while traveling. The countertop space is limited, but it's designed to be used smartly. Storage is well integrated, with cabinets and drawers providing room for utensils, groceries, and daily essentials. A refrigerator is also included, giving you the ability to store fresh food and extend your trips without frequent stops. This kitchen is built for practical use, simple, functional, and reliable. At the rear, the sleeping area is designed to offer both comfort and flexibility. The bed setup provides enough space for two people to rest comfortably without feeling restricted. The mattress is supportive, helping you relax properly after a day of travel. What stands out here is how the space is utilized. Storage is built around the bed, including overhead cabinets and underbed compartments. This allows you to keep your belongings organized without cluttering the living area. The rear doors also allow fresh air and natural light to enter, making the space feel more open. This is a sleeping area designed for real rest, not just occasional use. The bathroom is compact but thoughtfully designed. Inside, you'll find a toilet, sink, and a shower, all arranged in a way that makes the most of the available space. While it's not large, it's practical and easy to use. Everything is positioned within reach, making daily routines simple and efficient. Storage compartments allow you to keep toiletries organized. Having a private bathroom on board adds a significant level of convenience. It gives you more independence, especially when traveling to remote locations. Moving into the cockpit, the design focuses on comfort and usability. The driver and passenger seats are well padded and supportive, making longer drives more comfortable. The dashboard is clean and intuitive, with controls placed within easy reach in front of the driver. The instrument cluster is clear and easy to read. A central infotainment system provides access to navigation, media, and connectivity features. Large front windows offer good visibility, helping you stay aware of your surroundings while driving. Once parked, The seats rotate to become part of the living space, adding flexibility to the layout. What makes the V697 Roadline VIP stand out is how naturally it fits into everyday travel. It doesn't try to do too much, instead it focuses on doing the essentials well. You have a space to sit, cook, sleep, and move comfortably. Without unnecessary complexity, this makes the overall experience feel smooth and manageable. Whether it's a short trip or a longer journey, everything feels easy to use and well thought out. The Chausson V697 Roadline VIP is built around a simple but important idea: making travel feel easy, comfortable, and practical without unnecessary complexity. It offers a layout that works naturally, a space that feels usable in everyday situations, and a design that supports both short trips and longer journeys without feeling limiting. What stands out is not just what it includes, but how well everything comes together, from the living area to the sleeping space and the overall layout. It creates an experience that feels balanced and easy to adapt to. It's the kind of campervan that doesn't try to impress with excess, but instead focuses on delivering a smooth and reliable way to travel. If you're looking for something that combines comfort, usability, and simplicity in a well-designed package, this is definitely a model worth considering. Thank you for watching Dream on Wheels. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe for more detailed campervan and motorhome tours. And feel free to share your thoughts or questions in the comments below. We'll see you in the next video.